Good morning, everyone. My name is Amanik. Today, I am very honored to be here presenting to you about Cambodian natural resources. But first, I would like to pay my respect to the honorable director, respected judges, dear teachers, and all my beloved friends. Cambodia is known as a land that is very rich in natural resources. These natural resources are under the sea, underground, and above ground. We can use the resources yet, but we cannot mine most of them due to the lack of technology. Cambodia is called the land of gold since it has a lot of gold veins, emerald and diamond veins, and many other resources lying underground. These natural resources are presented everywhere in Cambodia, including underground, under the sea, and river countless more above ground. In fact, we have gold ore, emerald ore, iron ore, and other in Battambang, Thailand, Ratanakiri, Kampong Thom, Pravihia, and Mundukiri. Before this said that in the sea and river of Cambodia, there are a lot of marine life birds, solar rock and freshwater rock, but now not only do we have, but also oil and natural gas are found under the sea. On the other hand of rock, we also have forests, mountains, stones everywhere, reaching this wonderful kingdom. Finally, all these will make our country really rich and we been abroad to mine them, but sadly with our current technology, we cannot mine them just yet. And this is the end of my topic. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you for paying your attention.